read the lines, we reach for the sky. Yeah. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City.
I'm fresh, I'm high, I'm swag to death. I'm eating up MCs till no one's left. Familiarity exit, come and tell me what's next. We the best in this town and you know that's it.
Yo, maybe you don't have idea to ask. The answer is here, nothing much question to ask. Some blunt and hash we watch from fire to dry. Get right to buy and light until the ashes fly. Haha, I feel much better either, even I'm not drunk. You're right, I'm high, my mind is blank. But I got my level and I really need to go. I want to eat, I'm hungry, my battery's low. Then I call you later, I call you if I'm done. See you at the studio, homie, and ready for the fun. Bring some kind of beers, I bought unlimited weeds. I'm not kidding, aha, you hit unlimited shit.
Yeah, front paya, smoke pipa, get tired of my swag, I just smoke marijuana 24/7, this life make me lazy. Listen to the music, oh shit, make you crazy. Tugi, down cool, life in our city. Got Papa smoking with another pine tree. Yeah, I'm high when I'm with them, spitting some verse, bitch, you know what I'm saying? Oh, stop that motherfucker, just pop my smoke, don't get my fucking hookah. Yeah, I'm big yellow baby, just saying what I did in this place, Baguio City.
Rap it down, yo, 6 feet below the ground. Homies is in the house, sexy chicas all around. Don't tell me what to do, cause I can do it on my own. Listen up, yo, player, let me grab the microphone. Player Brian, that's me, and now you know me. No one but me, representing Baguio City. Don't block my way, and let me do it my way. Everybody wanna play, and let me take it away. Watch out for my show, when the beat is on the flow. Get ready to blow, cause I will give you some more. Yo, I feel so slow when I smoke my weed. Oh yeah, he's the motherfucking gangster shit. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City.
I'm fresh, I'm high, I'm swag to death. I'm eating up MCs till no one's left. Familiarity exit, come and tell me what's next. We the best in this town and you know that's it.
Sa kalalaro ng letra, umuusok ang bibig. Kasi tuwing tumutuka, nagmimistulan na dilig. Sa bawat utak na lata, nabubuhay mga diwa. Sa buga ng usok na hinipat mula sa damong sariwa. Malagari-yari ang yumayari sa Pinas. Yumayari ang Pinas na pamilyari ang batas. Sige palakas, hanggang sa lumakas ang amas. Parirap all day, 07 po lugar ng Oman. Ang paglapat ay titila, magiging permanente. Parang alamat ng dila at ng wais na kokote. Nagsanib mga pwersa sa isang tugtugang konektado. Sa pagpunta sa kasaysayan, mga nakaharang ay burado.
Tumatak na naman ng mga letrang sumambulat sa papel. Kami ang superstar ngayon, kaya boy wag kang mapapel. Sindihan mo na ang fire para sumabay sa aming tama. Kahit na malungkot ka, mapipilitan kang tumawa. Kami ay masaya kahit simple lamang ang buhay. Basta't may mainong kunting mahitik, buhay na ay makulay. Kung ikaw ay taglibog, bibigyan kita ng babae. Ikaw na ang bahala kung paano ang iyong diskarte. Gusto nyo bang sumama dito sa mundo na malaya? Kapag kami ay naglalaro, walang kahalong gaya. Pantay-pantay lahat, walang mababa, walang mataas. Ganyang kaganda ang samahan ng pamilyari sa Pinas. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City.
I'm fresh, I'm high, I'm swag to death. I'm eating up MCs till no one's left. Familiarity exit, come and tell me what's next. We the best in this town and you know that's it. I am spitting on this kitchen, tell me what you cooking. Licking on the city with a little bit of rhyming. I'm still blessed with the rhymes I progress. Haters hate me now cause I'm spitting the best. Like my still fast, my rhymes just give you stress. And I'm fresh to death, haters ain't got left. And I'm about to fresh beat go to my chest. And it's sitting to my rhyme like it's Paranaca's finest. The secret be the brightest, never lose your focus. Pulse me like the hardest, hustle on this music. I'm the Yari movement, me records prove it. Standing on this public like it's locked, loudly target.
Simple ang damit pero dangal ko di makukulit. Kalbo ang gupit pero tahimik kung magagalit. Nagtanong kung bakit ako'y isang ganon. Ako'y nanggaling pa sa lugar ng mga leon. The city of golden, the city of finance. Higit, buga, hihit, bura. Dope lang ng dope hanggang matay mamumula. Tula ko lang tulay ko, damo ang gabay ko. Kahit saan sumasabay to, suma sa lulibong respeto. Eclipse ng hilaga di mapabiro.
Simple ang tao sa Baguio City. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City.
I'm fresh, I'm high, I'm swag to death. I'm eating up MCs till no one's left. Pamilyari exit, come and tell me what's next. We the best in this town and you know that's it.
Simple ang tao sa Baguio City. Simple ang tao sa Baguio City.
I'm fresh, I'm high, I'm swag to death. I'm eating up MCs till no one's left. Pamilyari exit, come and tell me what's next. We the best in this town and you know that's it.
What up? It's day 178 of 2024 and I'm here sa SM. So maghanap lang ako USB charger for the lighting. So, Session Road muna. Session Road pero SM talaga daan. Nakalimutan ko mag-park. Dapat 20 pesos lang yung parking. So, pag dito sa SM 50. But it's okay. We gotta walk to the Session Road. See. What a beautiful day. all you gotta do is go to the mall, you know. So dun sa may chat time, yung Target, doon yung papuntang Session Road. Tip. So yung chat time ayun, dun sa unahan. Ano ba meron dito? O yan ha, dinaanin natin. Okay. So ito yung micro adventure na gagawin natin for experiment. So 1K mag-withdraw ko. Kanina nagpalibre lang ako ng Cobra, so 1K lang talaga. And then book riding. Oy! What's up, man?
Hey, dude! What you doing here, huh?
I'm good, bro.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm just going mall trip, bro.
Really?
I just did the nature trip in Camden Hay, the 14-kilometer.
Really?
Yeah.
They got a 14-kilometer. We were just there the other day. Up at the bakery. Oh, fucking around. Lying shit. What's going on, man? Where's your goddamn father, man? He's gonna miss all this shit.
Papa, you're so slow. See, it's recorded. The universe.
Dude, you gotta hurry the freak up. It's all gonna go bye-bye soon.
Look at the universe. Connecting us. Hey, what's up, Mustafa?
Yeah, dude.
Bro?
What you do today?
So follow this in Vince Ultra.
Yeah.
You know the J.K. Rowling shit? Sorry, you know the J.K. Rowling story? So basically, I'm there.
Yeah.
So
I got so much shit going on right
yeah, I
now.
got
dude.
the new Vince Ultra and the new AI.
Really?
So
Dude, get involved in what we're doing.
I know, right?
No, you gotta get some cash in. Because I can give you anything I want back. But you gotta get some cash in.
I know, man.
You know,
Hold on. I'm working on it.
No.
Because this book.
But it's gotta be done fast because we have a guy coming from Bali. He's going to invest $230 million with us because he's a fucking university. And then another guy agreed to do $500 million for the university. That's USD. So you gotta get something in quick. So I mean quick. Borrow, whatever the hell you gotta do.
Alright, Vance, you know what to do.
Dude, you gotta do this now. Yeah, that's just in the normal stuff. That doesn't count the unconventional stuff. I almost said another curse word. But we're about to roll, man. I'm not kidding, man. So, like, call me. You got my number.
I'll visit you.
Don't you? You have my number, don't you?
I have it.
Call me. Yeah, tell you. Dad, move the ass. Get it done fast. Get something in here.
Alright, bro.
Alright, see you later, man. Alright.
Oh, di ba? Matindi. Ang tindi ng commercial. That's rich. Ito na yung 1,000 for the day na gagastusin natin for the micro adventure na bumiling USB. Bumiling USB, no? Magtsatsaa lang naman talaga.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. This call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden eye. Oh, you slow down time in your golden eye. We were just two lovers, feet up on the dash, driving nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power, minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did for the love of my life? She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden eye. You slow down
So it's the same when we are in Dubai. We have to walk like this. We gotta live the present and enjoy. Don Henrico's, Okcha, Bistro, Max, Steakhouse, Starbucks, Point to Point.
Last time I came, ran up a check and double back. Last time I checked, I was the nigga with the pack. Last time I checked, I was the nigga with the raps. Last time I checked, these was Celine with the straps. Made it out the mud, my niggas made it out the cracks. Jewelry hella sick, these brand new rigs help me relax. Eating all these years, these niggas looking like they fasted. Chrome hard accessories, they 50 with the tax.
Ito dito yung food trip, balikan niya. Tapos dito sa isa pa. Ito. dyan, Silva. Ate, USB na B?
Yung micro.
Ay, sorry.
Pasok ka na. Okay.
Oh, follow nyo ako, Vince Ultra. Search nyo na. Inulit ko yan eh. Bagong channel video. How much is this?
Gaga to subuli mo. $150
$150 na lang. Para hindi na ako sa Lazada. Kasi 3 days sa Lazada eh.
$230.
230, 200.
Mura na yun. Kasi data cable na rin yan. Fast charging.
Yes. Hindi, ano na lang. Huwag na. Okay na yan, 200. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, ganun lamang hap.
Shoutout na lang sa kanya.
Oh, shoutout ka na.
Ay, tapos ko na lang.
Baka mga 2 days na. Hindi, pag na-render mamaya ng mabilis. Kasi pag 2 hours yung ni-record ko, 4 hours yung rendering ko. Tapos i-edit ko plus 3 hours. So, buong gabi talaga. So, pag in-upload, bago ka matulog, upload mo yung malaking file. Pag 100 gig yung dalawang in 4K resolution.
Anong pangalan? Ha?
Motor, jogging,
Prince Ultra? Prince Ultra?
Tapos may libro ako dyan. Yung libro kailangan naka-earphone.
Kuya, balik ka dito! Ay!
Ay, yung binili ko.
Sige po. Bukas ulit.
Ikaw, may hawakan mo nga, pagbibigyan kita makikita ng buong. Anong name mo? Angel? Ay! Paano ulit? Paano? Nakita mo yung mukha ko?
Shutdown! Service shop! Shout out pala sa wala lang. Shout out dyan kay Absen, kay Alden Di Bampaw.
Susunod, right? Pag may kasama walang kasama. Diba? Bye-bye! Sige. Bukas ulit? Pag dumaan ako. Sige.
Lagot ka naman.
Masarap mo. Thank you, te. Ayan. Saan kaya magtsatsaa? Magtsatsaa naman no? Oh. Ano yan? Oh, shout-out ka na. Billy, batiin mo na lahat ng tropa natin. Bye-bye. Alright, tapos na yung data cable na kailangan ko. Mahal siya pero hindi, tama lang. Ganun din naman siguro sa Lazada yun. Ano pa ba? Angel, mag-rides kaya tayo. Diba? Oh, pag gumawa, swerte may bagong content. Comment ka lang. Add kita sa Facebook. Oh, Angel mag-comment sa Facebook. Basta walang magagalit, Angel. Okay lang. Wala naman magagalit. Okay, magbabagal na ako at hindi ko na alam saan tayo pupunta, mga tol. Cable, ano pa ba? Food trip. Okay, balik na tayo ng SM. Ah, dito na. Let's go. Ano pa ba? Alright, so Akay Berry ang paborito. Parang naiba. Nag-grocery. Hack. Daya. Cheat code. Alam ko mura lang yan. Salamat. Mabigat. Wala na ako sa buon. Excuse me.
song. Like, was I wrong? But I know I'm right. But in hindsight, I blame the limelight. Maybe I just need a time to get my mind right. Maybe we'll reconnect when the time's right. I'm trying to think about the causes. Was I too bossy? Exactly where the fault is. I was told to step in love with some caution, cause love and shit is no difference in the darkness. But love is where the heart is. You can see the blood as it's dripping through the gauzes. So I guess I fell out of love with her smile and more in love with applause. It's quiet in my house. Silence is my home. Everything reminds me that I'm all alone. Quiet where you used to be, and now that you're gone, it's not a sound, it's not a word, but a dial tone. It's quiet when I'm drinking, it's quiet when I smoke, and I'm eating, I sleep all alone. It's quiet now, louder than I sleep.
Ay, sorry.
Every time I pick up a pen, it's all in you. And there be silence in my ear. All I hear is something says to me. Pages turn to last night, bottle pages. Bleed through. Don't pick up that pen, no, all I said is don't look in that mirror. All I did, pages turn, pages burn, and it's all 'cause of you. So many pages, words that left me bleeding right off. How did I get in this predicament? Was I influenced by the benefits? 'Cause I was hitting on so many chicks, loving you and leaving you was the only sentiment. But I guess I wasn't ready for you. 'Cause I'm rubbing your feet, cooking spaghetti for you. Taking you to parks, winning teddies for you. But in my heart, I'm making it someone better for you. But my heart's like, no, not this again. Cut it out, black, you know how this will end. And I swear that I really was listening. But my was yelling and my heart was just whispering. So you know who I listen to. Now my heart's bitching, 'cause he's missing you. Got my eyes staring at some old flicks of you. And my nose swear that he's still medicine you. And my soul saying, damn, she was meant for you. And my soul saying, damn, she was meant for you. And my soul saying, damn, she was meant for you. And my soul saying, damn, she was meant for you. I've been wondering, watching, so long. I've been talking, I've been listening, I've been hurting myself. I've been working, getting on this way. Now, not giving you what I miss you.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep, dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Oh, di ba?
She
Kuya, may crunchy taco. Ate, pa-order po ng crunchy taco, ground beef. Tapos po, isang cheesesteak burrito na beef, yung stout. Tapos po, ice. Hindi, sige, yan na lang. Dining. So we gotta go out and hello beautiful stuff. Kosa, tama ba yung nababasa ko? Komando? Kosa. Ano? San Pedro? Hindi ko maiangat eh.
Tarlac.
Ay Kosa, sundan mo naman ako Vince Ultra. Kasi may kausap ka pag may Vince Ultra. Oh, shout out mga Kosa. Dito na kami sa Baguio, dati lang humihima. So mga Kosa, meron nga pala akong sulat ng pro. Kasi di ba, malamang nakagawa ko siyang design ng libro doon. 1,417 days tol. Sinidnap ako nung 2019 para ako pinunod. Kasi mga sa weed, di ba? Yung ganun. So, gumawa ko libro. Sabi ng mga Kosa na tol, Tagalog version ha. Meron pala tayo niyan. Hindi ko alam yan tol, pag nag-ride ako.
Sa amin to, sa chapter namin.
Saan ba kayo Kosa?
Tarlac.
Tarlac. Sige siya, pagdaanan kita doon pag ano. Yung mga Kosang iba, huwag kayong mahihiya na yakapin kung ano realidad natin. Natanggap na natin na doon. Puta na ngayon, paglatas ko ayaw nyo magpatawag ng Kosang. Malabo yan kasi. Ito na yung simula na pag Vince Ultra. Kasi, so si Vincent Mark Ablis talaga ako, tol. So si Vince Ultra, ginawa ko siyang persona. Tapos siya yung may AI. Diba? Di putik, malayo-layo narating yan, tol. Multiversal na. Ano name mo, tol? Jepoy? Jepoy. Sige. Si brother.
Enjoy ka lang dyan muna.
Okay. Ganon pala ang feeling ng may gang. Kailangan yakapin. yakapin, magtanggap para ma-unlock nyo ang tunay nyong sarili. Kaya ako masipag mag-mall, di ba? Yan ang laman yung juice. So yung tapunan ng electronics, alam ko dito, di ba? Sunod tapon natin yung mga old na ano dyan. Shout out sa lahat ng mga Komando 22. Au, au. Okay, wala na akong maisip. Uwi na tayo. May takbuhan pala doon.
Look what you motherfucking done! This is the last show of the first leg of this tour. But we just getting started tonight. Hit that shit.
When me and the homies hit the dough, it's like Moses parting the Red Sea. All the soft motherfuckers get out the way, move to the back, break wide.
Shortsky on the beat.
Y'all know what it is. OD, fuck the police, bumping ODs like it's 83. Nigga gold T, a little salty. I'm a OG, get up off me, you a softy. I ain't with that. If you get range, I might split that. Snap that like a Kit Kat. Nigga get back over with them hood rats, yeah, pump it. aggressive, yeah, fool. My attitude's aggressive. Motherfuckers don't like the pressure. Niggas rather act like some heifers. Where I got the throne, testosterone. The rooster never leave his cock at home. Cock that shit back with ammunition. When me and my niggas is on the mission now. When the homies get activated, all the bitches get captivated. Not one thing calculated, everything is imitated. When the homies get activated, all the bitches get captivated. Not one thing calculated, everything is imitated.
It's not in my blood. All my friends are peace, get a lot of love. You give it to the real, don't fuck with I fake. I'll show you how much a real Mac can make. $1 million ain't shit to spend. I get some new hoes and get it again. And after all these years, I'm still rich. I give a fuck how you feel, bitch. You can ask about me anywhere. They say I'm a pimp, they say I'm a player. They know about you, you a bitch ass square, you a sucker. Get the fuck up out of here. I came in this world to spread the game. Got my own damn wall in the hall of fame. You talk shit and you can call me names, but when you see us come through, nigga, we ain't playing.
When the homies get activated, all the bitches get captivated. Not one thing calculated, everything is imitated. When the homies get activated, all the bitches get captivated. Not one thing calculated, everything is imitated.
I ain't finna give it to you cut and dry or blunt and bladed. Let me pop my peas, let me narrate it. In the midst of the moment, when it's fought with opponents, you probably shouldn't delay it, might wanna get activated. Can't hesitate it when it's on site, it's on demand. Gotta get out when you mad at, don't let them think you playing. These suckers are mutual and leave you speechless. Rock you to sleep if they can and they'll take your kindness for weakness. Gotta know how to move and you gotta know who your dudes is. Some of these fools you think your dudes is really scandalous. A lot of these saps is pussy like a cat. Line you up, double back you for some scratch. The soil love me, they know I'm crispy like Pringle. Appreciate me like old folk appreciate going to bingo. Some of these cats will knock you down and melt. Tell on they sell all that just to get one under their belt.
Let's bang, let's bang. Cali is active. Gang banging was attractive, so I snatched it and I threw it in my knapsack, marinated on it. It's the way of life. I'm in the mix all day and night. Pit bull fights with my dogs, I bet. 100 real niggas that ain't even from my set. Down to put it down, in or out of town. We don't lie that down, we just shot it out. And then we make it back to the park. Pulled up real slow in a 7-deuce Buick Skylark. Jumped out, gave dap to my young G's. Everybody's active, C's and D's in the sky. Bastards of the party, nigga, we don't die, we just multiply. Right?
When the homies get activated,